Hello, today we're going to talk about the wonders of nettle tea, the benefits, and a couple of recipes I'm going to share with you in today's video. So if you're new to using nettle, this is the perfect video for you. And if you want to learn more about nettle and how you can use its tea for many of its benefits, then stay tuned for today's video. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel in order to be informed on all our new videos. No, so nettle is not just another trendy beverage. It's basically a powerhouse of nutrients with a really deep, rich history of traditional use. And in this video, I'm going to break down the steps and explore the many sides of nettle tea. So let's quickly talk about the nettle plant, which is also known as Urtica dioica, and it is a remarkable plant that often gets a bad rap because of its stinging properties. Now, the leaves of this plant look like tiny green hearts, but don't be fooled by its appearance. The stems are covered in tiny hairs that release stinging chemicals when they are touched. However, the stings, while momentarily uncomfortable, are usually harmless unless you're allergic to them. So what's the buzz about nettle? Well, this seems like it's a pesky plant, but it is really packed with a lot of goodness. Now let's explore its nutritional benefits as well. So despite being primarily composed of water, nettle is a nutritional powerhouse. Nettle actually contains protein, is exceptionally rich in fiber. What's more, it's absolutely loaded with essential vitamins and minerals like folate, beta-carotene, which is a precursor to vitamin A, and eye-boosting compounds such as lutein and xanthin. And these nutrients make nettle a valuable addition to your diet, especially during pregnancy and for promoting overall well-being. And there's also proven health benefits for consuming nettle tea. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine. In modern research as well has backed up many studies on nettle, linked in the description box below. So let's talk about some scientifically proven advantages of including nettle in your daily routine. First of all, anti-inflammatory and microbial benefits. Studies have shown that nettle contains a variety of compounds with anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. This means that a cup of nettle tea might help relieve headaches, bruising, and sore muscles. It also has blood sugar management properties, and it's been found to support blood sugar management and improve glycemic control in type 2 diabetic patients who require insulin therapy. It can also be helpful to your diet if you are looking to manage your blood sugar levels. Also, it has prostate health benefits. Benign prostatic hyperplasia, which is BPH, is a common issue for many men. Nettle comes in, and when they use nettle-based treatments, they've been studied extensively and they've shown positive results in relieving BPH symptoms. It can also promote prostate health and alleviate any associated discomfort. Another benefit of nettle is its cardiovascular support. Now, nettle's histamine content can really help to relax the arteries and blood vessels. It can help to improve circulation and oxygenation, and this can have a positive impact on cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of related issues. Another well-known benefit of nettle is its anti-immune disease management. Now, nettle's anti-inflammatory compounds can be beneficial for those with autoimmune disease, such as rheumatoid arthritis. The compounds can really help to reduce inflammation and alleviate pain associated with such conditions. Now, how can you start by brewing nettle tea correctly? Now that we've explored the health benefits of nettle, it's really time to make your own cup of nettle tea, and I'm going to share with you a step-by-step process that's really clear, and it will help you to get the benefits out of nettle in a beautiful infusion. First of all, start by dehydrating the nettle leaves. So if you currently have any nettle leaves that you've correctly identified them around the area that you're living in, they're not next to any polluted areas, and they're away from cars, then you can go ahead and dehydrate them correctly, which is basically washing them, letting them dry on a cotton cloth in the sun for about 5 to 7 days. Alternatively, you can also dehydrate them in a dehydrator or in the oven on the lowest temperature, and this basically is also crucial to eliminate the stinging hairs. Alternatively, you can also purchase organic nettle leaves, dried nettle leaves, and skip step 1. Now, in order to make the nettle stay, simply brew the dehydrated leaves in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. If you have a tea strainer, this will really be helpful and it will make the process even more easier. Step 3 is to remove the strainer. You can either enjoy your nettle tea straight from the cup, or you can even add a few cups to turn into a refreshing cold beverage perfect for the summertime. You can also prepare a large batch, store it in the fridge for up to 4 days, and enjoy it later and incorporate it into your smoothies, which is my favorite thing to do when it comes to preparing smoothies for my children. I basically make a big batch and I add in double the amount of nettle to the water, let it infuse overnight, and then in the morning after 8 hours I will allow that to just strain it and place it in the fridge for a maximum of 4 days and use daily for their smoothies. So a couple of other uses of nettle in terms of its culinary uses. It's also really popular to have it as tea, but did you know you can also add it to soups, stews, and even pies? Now, nettle grows here in the wild in Finland a lot in terms of it's in the forest, it's in the road paths, it's basically everywhere, and people have been using it to make traditional Finnish soups and even incorporate it in omelets and pies as well. However, it's really important to cook or dehydrate the nettle before consuming it to ensure the benefits in terms of to ensure that the stinging hairs are also deactivated as well. Quick word of caution when it comes to using nettle: it's not for everyone. Really important to exercise caution when using nettle or before using nettle. Not just because nettle offers a lot of health benefits doesn't mean it's suitable for everyone. If you've got allergies, if you've got specific medical conditions, if you're taking medication that could counteract with nettle, it's always wise to consult your doctor before incorporating it into your daily lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end, and let me know what kind of videos you're interested in, what kind of things you want to learn about in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. I'll see you in the next one.